Hi, Lainey Dennis here for Design in Atlanta, and on this episode, we're in Buckhead. 2016 promises to be another amazing year for design and construction in the Atlanta region. But before we get to 2016's trends, let's look back at 2015, which has been called the comeback year for some very prominent projects.
The most prominent projects signaling Atlanta's construction rebound include Buckhead Atlanta and the Three Alliance Center in Buckhead, Ponce City Market in Midtown, Avalon in Alpharetta, and the Braves SunTrust Park and accompanying mixed-use development in Cobb County. But this heightened activity in design and construction includes other markets as well. In 2016, Atlanta continues to attract headquarters buildings such as Porsche, Mercedes, and NCR buildings. And according to industry officials, housing for the elderly will continue to be on the upswing in 2016. So, what are the other top design and construction trends for 2016? Contractors will continue to deploy lean construction techniques to save costs and curtail waste. Popular high-tech and waste reduction measures include having project supervisors carry iPads instead of large rolls of drawings, using drones to check work on large job sites, and using building information modeling software to create electronic building models. During the Great Recession, experienced construction workers found work in other fields when construction jobs dried up locally. The biggest line item in a construction budget is expected to be the same as last year: labor costs. The office building market is reviving as job growth in Atlanta moderately trends upward. Developers are no longer sitting on empty buildings, and the improved job market means that development groups are coming back to Atlanta. And developers who took the risk of constructing office buildings 3 years ago are expected to make a profit on those buildings this year. Developers are keenly interested in transportation aspects of their projects. How workers get to a project is one of the strongest considerations in any new development. Overall, developers say construction will continue to extend to the northern suburbs and the perimeter area from Midtown. Downtown, however, is not expected to see a lot of activity. Potential growth areas include spin-offs from Ponce City Market and the development along the Atlanta Beltline. Developers are watching to see how much influence Ponce City Market's success has on other potential in-town developments, particularly the Civic Center site on Atlanta's east side. Meanwhile, in Buckhead, new apartment developments will be built to accommodate young workers or millennials who want to use MARTA. The Central Perimeter will continue to see growth with a new employee base and affordable housing centered around MARTA. So, in summary, design and construction leaders in Atlanta plan to keep the momentum going as they focus on development around MARTA, job centers, the Atlanta Beltline, and some key suburban areas like the Perimeter.